Have you heard about this story, YouTubers? 16 states have set a limit on the number of prescription drugs they will cover for Medicaid patients according to Kaiser Health News. 7 of those states, according to Kaiser Health News, have enacted or tightened those limits in just the last 2 years. Medicaid is a federal program that is carried out in partnership with state governments. It forms an important element of President Barack Obama's health care plan because under the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, aka Obamacare, a larger number of people will be covered by Medicaid as the income gap is raised for the program. With both the expanded Medicaid program and the federal subsidy for health care premiums that will be available to people earning up to 400% of the poverty level, a large percentage of the population will be wholly or partially dependent on the government for their health care under Obamacare than are now.
Drugs make up a fair amount of the cost for Medicaid. A lot of states have said a lot more drugs now are available on generics where they cost less. So they see this sort of another move to push patients to take generics instead of brand. And there's not much, it hurts, and it only hurts a limited number of patients because obviously it hurts patients who are taking multiple brand name drugs in the case of Alabama, Illinois. Some of the states are putting the limits on all drugs. It's another place to cut. It hurts. It doesn't hurt everybody. But it could hurt some. But it puts doctors and patients in some difficult positions because some doctors who I talk to would work with patients with asthma and diabetes, and sometimes it's tricky to get the right drugs and the right dosage to figure out how to control some of the disease. And just when they get it right, now the state is telling them that, hey, you're not going to have all this coverage. You may have to switch to a generic.
Ladies and gentlemen, what we are seeing here is what other indebted countries are calling austerity measures. Only ours are self-imposed, and they are only just beginning. We will see across-the-board cuts on many programs on both the federal and state levels and tax increases soon after the election. The economy is not getting any better. These cuts are inevitable. As things continue to get worse, God, water, food, health, shelter, and safety are becoming more of the priority. Prepare as best you can. God bless, peace, and love.
Thanks for watching Kingdom Knowledge News.